Hello, hello, hello. How are you, Himanshu? Once I recorded it, assuming that it is recording the voice, but it could not record. Through headset. Recording audio through headset. Yes, now hope it is loose. Yes, Himanshu, and all those who have arranged and provided me with this unique and useful audio recording, video recording instrument. Uh, yeah, it is very good and useful for that, the job that we are doing now. And the situation now, the condition is that where all webinars and all business are or all talks are being done by these webinars and session. It will be very good. It was required for EGRA and on time because after just 2 days we are going to have this webinar and hope this will be very useful for this. And now I am sharing all good news today that for what I was doing for last 6 months. Bokaro Vikas Mitra and first transformation center of reforms for selected two panchayats. All many to about 25 eminent persons and organizations have blessed us, joined us to support us, extended support. And most important are IIT Ahmedabad, IIT Delhi, Ahmedabad, Ramanathan Madras and Dr. D.P. Mishra Kolkata, Director MIT, Ramanathan yes, Rajesh sir from CFT Central Food Processing Time, and all over them now the World Bank Director, Regional Director, who is for last 15 years there in World Bank, as an infra experts over there. He is there from Bangaon, Saharsa, eminent persons, well society, good social persons, a gentleman has taken cognizance, taken notice of our activities, and have suo moto and on his own offered to take this project as is their own. Though he is looking after African countries, but as he is for 15 years and knows everything, so many there are agencies on behalf of World Bank, they are doing jobs. There are so many things they are now. He will support, and I think the level that I have reached them in all the ways is function, planning, management, and coordinations. Now it will be easier for any good organization, national level organizations to take it up, and it is our like satellite that we launch so many organizations and good work, or that again comes back on the pad. Therefore, let us pray once that big organizations comes here and takes their responsibility, work here, it will be very highlight of the Bokaro district that due to all social organizations' efforts, such thing can be done which really Prime Minister wants and says. You do something creative, group together, work for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, and do development work. But in reality, as I told you, there is a cup and between the gap between the lip and cup, villagers and the officer those schemes. The cup is filled up by the Motiji with all schemes, ideas, narrations, requests, but that is not going to the lip of the villagers. There we are, as a virus, there are certain negative forces, egos, conspiracies going on, unseen. Now that vaccination, like Covix, Calavix, we have to get it, give it. That has been highlighted, diagnosed. Now those who are preparing vaccines, experts, they will now treat it. So many thanks. Moreover, Siddhartha Bhaskar, son of a Vidya Bhaskar who was in commercial bank, here and very good, popular man, popular Maithil, very good. His son is IIT Kharagpur and Ahmedabad. Now in Jindal Business School, there he has written books, many others. One that is whispering bricks about Ahmedabad, inside the story of the students, how do we behave, how do we do, how enjoy, what are the interactions. That is very interesting thing. That in the Dainik Jagran Express, today this book has been highlighted, and that is a very great demand, which I also refer to Anil Gupta's show now, live show. I also mention it in that, or as because he is from Ahmedabad, and we are proud. We are preparing Who is Who of Bokaro, which on 15 August 2020, after 70 years of independence, all this from the beginning, the chas was brought from Purulia and Bengal, and up to now, all those contributors, those who are outside, students, and they are doing something good, will be there, and all Samirpan. Therefore, let us see that much we have done. Yeah, anybody can do something creative. That from that point of view, we have done much, and now other people will take, others joins and take together. You can do it. Government, non-government, private agencies, all experts, all boys and children outside working, and experts in different fields. When this center will be already video conferencing with system, organized jobs, delivery purpose, no wastage of time, all these things money, then it will be again Bokaro will have a good one. Thank you.